As parts get more complicated, sketch relations become more important, ensuring the model will act as expected. These relations can be captured automatically, which can be useful or, in some cases, become overwhelming. How can we create a sketch with no relations and add them in manually afterwards? Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. Looking at this inner flange, there are a lot of chamfers going on in the middle of this part. We will add a small rectangular extrusion at the bottom to demonstrate how to disable automatic relations. One quick way to ensure that no relations are captured while sketching is by holding Control on your keyboard. Looking at the yellow inference box, this indicates that a relation will be added automatically, but when Control is held on the keyboard, the yellow inference box goes away, ensuring the relation is not added. This is useful to create a few entities that do not have relations. But what if you didn't want any relations to be captured automatically at all? Navigating to the System options, under the Sketch section, choose Relations/Snaps, uncheck the box Automatic Relations, and we'll press OK. By turning off automatic relations, sketches will be created with no relations. If relations are required, they can be added in manually after creating the sketch to fully define it. Turning off automatic sketch relations can be useful when there are a lot of edges or entities that are parallel to the sketch plane and might get captured on accident. With the option turned off, it gives the user more freedom to create a sketch without restraining the profile to other entities on the part. This gives the user more control over the exact relations that get added, rather than adding a ton of relations and having to manually choose which ones to keep and which ones to delete. If you like this tip, please be sure to check out our SolidWorks Essentials for Part Design course, as well as our SolidWorks Advanced Part Design course. Thanks for watching.